Hi class, so this is Mrs. Howard. So we're going to look at question number 1 right here. So Jenny has 2 toy cars. She gets 3 more toy cars from her friend. How many toy cars does Jenny have now? Well, we're going to highlight this number 2 right here and this number 3 right here because those are the important numbers from our story. So underneath, we're going to do 2 dots, and then we're going to do 3 more dots right here. And now we're going to count them all together. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jenny has a total of 5 cars because 2 plus 3 equals 5.
All right, class, Mr. Carpenter here. So let's read this story together. Jack has 4 cookies. He gives 1 cookie to his friend. How many cookies does Jack have left? All right, guys, so this one's a little tricky. Kind of got to listen to that word story or even look at your subtracting down here. So this is very important. So he starts out with 4 cookies. So we're going to do here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look here, he gives 1 away. So he gives 1 away. So that's going to be 1 cookie here. So 1 dot. So if we go back here, we're going to see that he has 4 cookies. He started out with that. And then he gave 1 away. So he gave 1 away. So basically, if you have 4 started out with, and you're going to take away 1, you're going to count. How many are left? Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 1 equals 3.
So for this next one, we're looking at question number 4. So Maria has 3 crayons, and she buys 2 more crayons at the store. So how many crayons does Maria have now? Well, we're going to first highlight the 3 and then the 2, because those are the numbers that are in our story. So we're going to do 3 little dots here and 2 more dots there. So now we're going to count them all up. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Maria now has 5 crayons because 3 plus 2 equals 5.
All right, class, the next question that we're going to be doing together is question number 8. So let's read it together. There are 9 fish in the pond. 1 more fish swims over. How many fish are there in all? Ooh, keyword in all. All right, so we have the number 9 and we also have a number 1. Okay, so because that 1 more fish swims over. So if we write out 9 dots here, because that's how many are already in the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and 1 more comes over. So let's do this. So we have 9 here. So we're going to do it like this time. We have 9 here. Ooh, plus 1 more. So we're going to write our 1. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together. In all, we have 10 fish in the pond. All right, class. Okay, class. So we're going to do question 15 together, and some of yours might look a little different. So let's start off. So I'm going to read it to you. This one we're going to be creating your own story problem. Okay, so Travis has 3 books. Okay, so let's highlight that because he starts out with 3 books. So he's going to have 3 books to start out with. All right, and then his friend gives him some more. Ooh, so we don't have a number there. We just have this cool word here, more. So more is adding, right? Because you're adding more. Okay, then at the end of the day, Travis ended up with 5 books. Ooh, so he ended, which is a hint for equals, with 5 books. And we're going to write this in an equation that's given down here for us. Okay, we got this. So, Travis has 3 books. So we already know, guys, that he started out with 3. So we're going to do 3 dots right here. 1, 2, 3. So we need to figure this number out because really we don't know what that is. But we know that Travis ended. So ended after equals. He ended up with 5 books. So let's do this. Let's put 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So Travis ended with 5 books. So if we have 3 dots here, 1, 2, 3, let's count 3 dots over here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look. Let's see. How many are left over? Let's change my highlight color. We have 2 left over. So if this number was 5 at the end, because there's 5 books at the end, ooh, let's see. Our other highlighter is 2. So we're going to write the number 2, and we can even show 2 underneath it to prove it. We can say that 3 plus 2 equals 5. And we can prove it by showing the dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, and that's our number. All right, class, good job.